Okay, I'm here with Dan, Dan has helped Rockford Career College build our computer numeric control and robotic manufacturing program. So I want to introduce Dan. Thanks for coming in and talking to us a little bit today. You want to talk a little bit about your background, Dan, and
Sure.
how you got involved in CNC?
Sure, it's my pleasure. I've been in the industry for about 30 years now, working for a few different companies in the Rockford area, a couple of large manufacturers actually. Started when I was pretty young and didn't know much of anything. One of the companies I work for, a local company, spends a lot of time, energy, money in training, so I was blessed to get a very diverse background, a lot of different job functions over the years. Started off in inspection, wound up running machine for several years, wound up in some cost accounting roles, worked in proposals, worked in purchasing, worked in planning systems for a while, so I've had quite a background.
So a
in the
number of
industry.
years in kind of manufacturing,
Yep.
you know, here in the Rockford area then.
Yep.
Okay, Screw City, USA,
Yeah,
right?
well, yeah. Not everybody knows that.
So why did you decide to develop this program for us and kind of, you know, develop this CNC program?
Well, part of my career path, I spent in supervision and hiring people and to try to find entry-level people that had an understanding of how things work, how things are made, how things are machined, was actually fairly difficult. So this program, I was asked by a friend if I'd be interested in helping develop it, and it kind of mirrored the arc of my career, I guess. So I decided that I'd jump in and try to put together a program that would prepare someone for a job in manufacturing.
Great. Yeah. Well, we really appreciate you doing this for us, and we're really excited to get it launched off. It's starting up here in September, our CNC program. So, you know, we've got students coming in. We've got our first class starting up here in September, so we're really excited. You know, what do you think of, what type of careers can students that are coming into this CNC program here at Rockford Career College, the 40-week training program, what kind of career path can they be expecting when they're done with the program?
Well, we take them through several aspects of manufacturing, from how to fixture and how to hold the part, how to actually machine the part. There's going to be machine centers here. They're going to actually make a physical part that's part of the program, where they're going to fixture up, they're going to tool up, they're going to learn how to program, they're going to learn how to run the parts, they're going to learn a little bit about metallurgy, the science of the metals themselves. They're going to learn about operations, from planning systems to purchasing to, you know, how a business is run. They're going to learn continuous improvement, Six Sigma, Lean. There's just several different aspects, so it really gives them a well-rounded background, if you will, for an entry-level position. It could entry-level position in running a machine or in a manufacturing environment. They could take that into manufacturing engineering if they wanted to pursue further education. They could get into supervision, continuous improvement. It's really a front end at a lot of different opportunities.
So a lot of opportunities for students if they can successfully complete this program.
Yeah, I try to keep in mind the student that may not know anything about manufacturing, and they would go through this program. They would get a lot of hands-on experience, a lot of book knowledge, but then also the practical application of that book knowledge. And when they sat down for an interview, they would be kind of a league ahead of the people that they were competing with for an entry-level position. You know, which can pay. Today, in today's dollars, it's between $12 and $20 an hour just to start.
So $20 an hour.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So you think someone in an entry-level position can definitely come in and start off in that range somewhere then?
Yeah, easily.
Okay.
Yep. The very back end of this program, the last class is a capstone class that we're we're designing to prepare them for a NIMS certification, which is, it's recognized in the industry as a core level of competency. So we're not gonna actually have them take that test, but they'll be able to come out of this program and go and get
That's
that,
great. Yeah.
take that exam.
Okay.
And we'll prepare them to pass.
Yeah, awesome. One last question, this is, Screw City, USA. This is Rockford, it's been known for its manufacturing. Why do you think this program will be successful here in Rockford?
There are, you look at the larger manufacturers, Woodward, United Technologies, Aerospace Systems, they're looking for people, and there are a lot of suppliers to them that are in the area that are looking for good people. I work for a company today that supplies to one of those companies, and we're looking for skilled people. So in finding people that have the skills, it's hard, and it's hard to find people that have that background, and there is such a rich fertile ground, I guess, of all these companies that are looking for people. So it's not just the big companies, but the smaller companies are looking for competent people too.
Good. Okay. Well, really appreciate your insights, and thank you for all you're doing and helping build the program.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's exciting.
Okay.